In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate recurring transactions in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to copy an existing template so you can reuse the same settings without rebuilding anything from scratch. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in. Once your dashboard loads, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is your gateway to settings and tools. Go ahead and click that gear. In the panel that opens, find the list section. This is where QuickBooks keeps things like products, services, and what we need today, recurring transactions. Click Recurring Transactions to open your full list of templates. You're now on the Recurring Transactions page. This page shows every template you've set up, such as scheduled invoices, expenses, bills, or journal entries. Locate the template you want to duplicate. On the far right side of that row, you'll see an action menu, usually a small drop-down arrow or button. Click that drop-down to reveal your options. From the menu, choose Duplicate. QuickBooks will create a copy of the selected template and open it for you. Think of this as a ready-made starting point with the same form type, schedule, and many of the original details carried over. Before you commit the copy, take a moment to review what's on the screen so the duplicate does exactly what you expect. If you plan to use it for a slightly different purpose, adjust fields like the template name, interval, start date, or any amounts now, so you can tell the copies apart later and avoid confusion. When everything looks good, click Save Template. QuickBooks will confirm the save, often with a brief pop-up. Once you see that confirmation, close the pop-up to return to your recurring transactions list. Back on the list, you should see the new duplicate alongside your other templates. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. That can happen if the page hasn't refreshed. Simply refresh your browser or reload the page, and the new template should appear. If your list is long, try scanning for the new template name you just saved. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a recurring transaction. Remember, duplicates inherit key settings from the original, which saves time and reduces errors. Just make sure the schedule, amounts, and any linked customers, vendors, or accounts are correct before you save. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping in QuickBooks.